Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, and today I would like to share with you this unit from Jurllyshe hair. So this is how the box is. I'm going to show you guys what came inside. I did customize the hair, so it's not in its plastic, but yeah, this is a sneak peek. It is like a curly unit and it's pretty long. So what came in the box is a 2-pack of wig caps. That's so handy. Like listen, I love me some wig caps, okay, period. And then another thing that they gave me is this elastic band, and basically this you can put onto your wig just to make sure that it's tight enough. And this is something else. This hides your knots, so you just stick it onto your lace and it hides your knots and your wefts. So yeah, this is the unit itself, and I'm so excited to show it to you because I customized this thing to perfection. Okay, I bleached the knots, I tinted the lace. Listen, I washed the unit. Well, I always wash my units before I put them on my head, but yes, this is kind of like how the curl pattern looks, but inside the wig you can see it's very nicely made. There's combs, there's clips, and I adjusted it to fit my head, and the tracks are very nicely and securely sewn in. So yeah, this is how the pattern looks. It is like a deep wavy type of jerry curl texture, and it is 24 inches long. So I'm obsessed with it. I'm going to show you guys how I did my stocking cap method. I basically just put 2 holes on the side of my stocking cap, and then I stuck it down. The reason I do this is so that I can hide the band of the stocking cap so that it looks as natural as possible. I loved this hair. You guys seem to love it on Instagram as well. I love myself some long curly hair and some baby hairs, girl. I mean, you're always gonna win with that. So yeah, basically, and now all I'm doing is sticking down the stocking cap so that I can cut it nicely, and I make sure that the glue is nice and dry before I cut it off. But I'm basically gonna cut where I've got the ear tabs, and I'm gonna cut the middle of the stocking cap so that I can have a seamless effect. And then when I'm done doing that, I'm just going to stick down any flyaways of the stocking cap and then get ready to install the actual wig. For the actual installation process itself, I just wanted to put the wig onto my head. As you can see, she is customized to perfection. She melts so nicely into my skin even before I stick her down. But another tip for you guys is when you lay your wig, tie it away from your face. Make sure that there are no strands in your face, and then lift the top of the lace. I'm then going to take my got2b, the black bottle, and I'm just going to apply my got2b around my hairline, and then I'm going to make it nice and tacky and then lay the lace. And then another extra thing that I love to do is just take a scarf or any satin tie and put it on my lace, just so that it can melt. I did this overnight, and then I did my makeup, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I styled the hair. For styling this hair, I went very simple. As you can see, I just beat my face and everything, and I just put a bonnet and slept in that. But I'm just going to revive my curls. You know, I'm gonna juicen them up. I'm gonna make them nice and wet. So basically what I'm gonna do is make a middle part. I didn't have to pluck this middle part, which was great. I just had to, you know, define it basically. And then I take a water bottle. This is a water bottle that I got from Discam, and then on top of the water, after like spraying down my hair and combing through it with my fingers, I'm then just gonna put some gel in it. Nothing too hectic, you guys. And then I'm going to make sure that the top of my head is nice and flat with a hot comb. And there you have it, you guys. That is basically my hair routine when it comes to curly hair and how I installed this particular wig. I love it, you guys. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed it on Instagram. I will have all the details down below if you want to shop it, and I will try and get myself a nice discount code for you guys so that you guys can save some money. So go into my description box, click the link, and make sure to shop Jurllyshe hair, you guys. All right, that's it from me. I love you. Bye, guys.